Welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to perform a Fortify scan. Fortify operates under a bring your own license model, and if your Fortify asset is missing a license, you will need to download the asset, add the license, and then re-import it into Arcus. Otherwise, you won't be able to scan much of anything. If you'd like to review the process for importing test assets, or the bring your own license model itself, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. But if you have a Fortify asset ready to go, click the Add button next to Deployments, select Browse Tests, click the plus sign on the Fortify Assets card, and return to the Deployment Builder. Unlike a Nessus scan, you do not need to add a scenario to a Fortify deployment. Finish your deployment and launch it. You do not need to input login credentials as you are deploying only this test asset. The Fortify scan will run while your deployment is building. And once the scan is complete, head on over to Test Results, select Show Details, and you'll be able to view and download the results of the test. You can also rerun the scan by clicking the Retest button on the Deployment Run Overview page. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.